with the clip, I'm with the Crips, neighborhood shit. All of my niggas, they.
This is not them. This is no party.
I can't breathe.
No one's in that house. We are lost.
Oh my god.
In the middle of nowhere. And I just don't know, guys. Are we gonna make
45.
it?
This is 46.
46? Okay, let me just show y'all niggas.
Tell me that my heart don't know that you've been doing wrong and doing wrong. Tell me that my heart ain't know that you ain't doing wrong and doing wrong. Cause I'm just so sick of it.
Kill me. Y'all fight like me and Jay.
Bro, that's funny. Sisters up.
We're going up hills, huh? We're going up hills, huh?
Okay.
Let's get ready.
Say hi.
Je ne sais quoi. Why is it so quiet? There's not music. Yo, I should have brought my fucking speaker.
I just know that this place is gonna look nice in the morning with like the window.
Okay, so shot o'clock? I guess we can walk.
I guess so. Okay. Yeah, the lighting in here is fire.
Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had it, that's all take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it, that's all take you there, take you there.
Yeah, it's good.
Ready? Okay, wait. Talia, he's going outside, he's smoking.
Oh, fuck. Screaming.
Go. Wait,
Look.
no hands, Toby.
Go.
1, 2, 3, go. No hands. This man is gonna.
Oh my god.
Probably got this. She got it. Go, Polly! Woo! Go, Polly!
Come on, man.
Keep going. You're gonna lose.
That was so hard.
How do you
How do you feel?
You actually did that right.
We started filming. Yo, when I tell you I look fire in the sun right now, holy.
Golden hour is busting you right
Golden
now.
hour.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been. You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Hi. So we just finished, I guess I just finished a photo shoot, but this was my lovely helper, Tay. And
hey, what up, what up? Fresh Anderson here. Wonderful shoot. She did a great job, you know. Can't wait for the music to come out.
did I do a great job? Bless. That's crazy. That's crazy.
We're gonna get some drinks. We're gonna go to Ikea and just live life.
Live life.
Live life. Yeah.
Live life. That's the vibe today. So today is what? What is today? Today is Saturday, July the 24th.
Ma'am.
And it's been a long time.
The city
But
is
yes,
opening. We're
the
going
city is
outside.
opening. Let's see what this wig is looking like. Cheers! I have to put the little thing in there. Cheers! Yeah, it's a little whatever, but you know, I tried to make it blend in like 10 minutes, so it's the best I could do. But yeah, so we're gonna go to Ikea, just a regular day. As I said, today is the 24th, and yesterday, July the 23rd, I dropped some new music, so I'm gonna put the details like right here. So go check it out and follow my music channel, okay? But yeah, we'll be back. So yeah, so we're just gonna go and run a whole bunch of errands. We're gonna go to Ikea. I feel like we always go to Ikea, but we have like no purpose there. It's like,
But today we do.
today we do. She needs to get some hangers.
Stop folding your pants. They have creases in them. Hang them up. Hang up your pants. It saves space in your drawers. It saves space in your life.
Save space in your life. Honestly, I want to become like a minimalist because like the less
the way
the
I've
better.
been on that path. The thing is, I want to do like minimalism, but like normal people. Like I don't want to own like 3 things, you know?
Yeah.
Those people that do YouTube videos, and like good for them if they can live out of like a backpack, but I can't.
I can't do that.
can't do
That's
that.
not enough. It's not enough.
Thank you. Oh my god, that looks amazing.
But yeah.
Look at this drink. Wow. Looks
Yum.
crazy.
Okay. Oop, sorry. What is that?
That is
Looks like a-
strawberry funnel cake frappuccino, diabetes in a cup.
Why do they call it that?
Because it tastes like strawberry funnel cake, probably. I've never had it
Oh,
before.
wow.
And we got cake pops to celebrate
Cake
my
pops.
birthday and your song.
Yes, my song. Honestly, this week is just gonna be all types of celebrating. Had a photo shoot earlier this week. I might maybe put some clips of that in there. But yeah, so we're off to start the day, and we will see you in the next clip, guys. you take a whole bunch of photos already?
No, we haven't taken any yet.
Okay.
We have not taken any.
Hello.
Glad you're here.
Wow.
Hi, vlog.
I'm super late. Please forgive me. Don't hate me. The one thing is I'm good with hair, so we're gonna slay this bitch. So this is the before. Do a little twirl. Okay, bitch.
And
Wow.
then we're gonna have to do this.
Yes.
Hi, vlog. We are getting
Tell me
ready.
about your day. What's happened today
So today, what has happened today? Today I got my nails done.
Okay.
Short French tips, royal blue. And then I went home and I ate food from Starbucks.
Sounds fucking perfect. That's hella fun.
Yeah.
What's on the itinerary for today?
Okay, so we're going to dinner. We're gonna eat Italian.
Yum.
Fill up on carbs, and then we're gonna come back to the hotel.
You really pinned up your hair back here. Okay.
Yeah, I did. And then we're gonna come back to the hotel and take some cute pics.
Alright.
And then we're gonna go gamble and drink and find decks.
Oh my god.
You are not Italian.
About to eat, guys.
David, text. Hi, vlog. We're having so much birthday fun.
So much birthday fun. Are we getting drunk?
Yeah, we're gonna get drunk. We're gonna order food.
Okay.
And we're gonna
Gamble. I think I have to censor this.
No, it's okay. I'll drink it.
What is this? A weed cookbook. A weed cookbook?
No, you have to read the title of the book.
From crook to cook. It's from
Classy slides would be different. But I'm wearing like.
Okay, whatever.
I don't know what's going on.
My pussy's gone. And I
Anybody
have
want?
really.
Okay, yo.
All dark, I should really just.
I bought
leave. 25 of it's almost gone. Thanks.
pair of sneakers.
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
She needs to get ready and go,
I'm
but
tired.
it's not been 3 a.m. and she's here.
What?
She said it's not even 3 a.m.
It's not even 3 a.m.
Oh my god. And she's tired. It's not even 3 a.m.
Guys, life is, you know, life is different at 26. I don't know.